Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get free rewards in Clash Royale. Let's get started. First, log in daily. Daily and seasonal login bonuses give you a free rewards right away. So, don't forget to open your free chest and crown chest after battles. Crowns fill your chest with valuable loot. Here you can join an active clan. Clan wars and events give great rewards. Plus, donating and requesting cards levels up your troops and gives you extra gold. You can also participate in challenges and special events. These often drop big chests or exclusive items you cannot get anywhere else. You can also check the shop daily for freebies, flash deals, and extra gems. Just complete the quest and milestones for steady rewards, and watch the optional ads for small bonuses. Competitive players should push the ladder or join global tournaments to earn a higher tier prizes. Finally, always check the time events and updates notes so you never miss a limited time freebies. By making these steps a habit, you can stack rewards faster than ever. And that's it. Follow these steps and watch your Clash Royale rewards grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.